Welcome back to the Auburn University RFID Lab. We would like to thank Delta Airlines for their donation. We have some decommissioned 747 airline seats here in the lab. We look forward to doing a lot of testing on these with cabin compliance. As you may know, cabin compliance is a huge thing with airlines, using handhelds to go through and scan all the seats between flights and make sure that they have their full complement of life vests and safety equipment and everything that's supposed to be on that flight before the next one. In the news, NRF, we just came back from there. I'd like to congratulate one of our students, Julia Marr. She received a travel grant to go to the academic portion of NRF early, where she met some potential new future employers. We saw a lot of new technology at the show. For those of you who were there, heavy emphasis on sensor fusion. We're looking at multi-sensor systems to do the work in the store without focusing on a single technology. These integrated systems, many of them included RFID as a primary complement, and that speaks to the acceptance of RFID in the industry now. We don't talk about RFID so much as we talk about what it can do, which is, I think, the best way we can be with RFID in retail. We had an excellent meeting with a group of brand owners through GS1. We're kicking off our supplier study. We've started collecting data now. What we're doing is we're capturing RFID information about items coming out of a supplier's DC. We're capturing the same thing coming into the retailer's DC. We're comparing that information to bookend the logistics process so that we can understand claims, electronic proof of delivery, and many other use cases that lead to data transfer for RFID. So that study is going now. We have 7 brand owners and 3 retailers. We look to publish that by the end of the year. If you're interested, please contact us. Finally, on the subject of data transfer, we're at the point as an industry to where we have enough adoption between the brand owners and the suppliers to where we can start looking at data transfer as a serious going concern. We have a few tools already in place. EPCIS from GS1 is a data standard. It includes all the fields necessary to make sure that we're properly transferring data from partner to partner through the supply chain. And as you may have noticed, if you are NRF, everybody's talking about blockchain right now. Blockchain is a system for decentralized, secure transactions. It's been used as bitcoins and virtual currency in the past. The same technology can be applied to actual physical items going through the supply chain. So we've been doing some work in the past few months with Mojix in conjunction with Microsoft. If you want to find a little bit more about the possibilities and opportunities of blockchain in the supply chain, whether it's RFID or not, you can check out a blog recently by York Rhodes from Microsoft that kind of explains and lays out how this works. Blockchain is something that's going to be happening in a lot of retailers and brand owners with or without RFID. So as RFID fits in with EPCIS and other data standards, it's an excellent complement, and I think it's really going to speed along adoption of RFID as a viable data transfer mechanism. With that, thank you very much, and please check out our other videos, and we'll see you here again next month.